This is the final show of Wedding Bells by Purple Event, and this is their third edition. So you can visit the show, explore all the brands. Beautiful wedding collection છે, something is તમને different Kashmiri collection જોઈતો હોય men and women બંને માટે real પોલકી કુંદનના પીસીસ છે એની સિવાય જ્વેલરીની અંદર લેબ ગ્રોન ડાયમંડનું કલેક્શન છે સ્પેશિયલી વેલેન્ટાઇન્સ ડે માટે 15,000 થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે કલેક્શન સો ડુ ચેક ધેમ આઉટ એન્ડ ફેસ્ટિવ છે સેમી ફેસ્ટિવ સમર કેઝ્યુઅલ છે એન્ડ સો મચ મોર વિઝિટ ધ શો એન્ડ એક્સપ્લોર એવરીથિંગ પર્સનલી ટુડે એન્ડ ટુમોરો સેટરડે સન્ડે at Bohemian Gallery and swipe left to check more collection. Brand from Surat, this is Kesar House, the brand that you know and you love. They've got the new collection. Tishuma, look at this piece, handwork sathe. That's a skirt and dupatta. You look very elegant. So let's see what we have in other collections. So lehenga ma apne continue kariye chhe. Beautiful colors, new patterns and designs. Koine neutral shade ma javu chhe to they've got this in tissue blouse ma bahut beautiful integrated detailing chhe. Colors as you can see ke bધી જ options ma કલર્સ છે અલગ હેન્ડવર્ક સાથે અપાર્ટ ફ્રોમ લેહેંગાસ દે ઓલ્સો ગોટ સૂટ્સ ઇન કેસ તમારે થોડું લાઇટ પહેરવું છે બટ એની અંદર પણ હેન્ડવર્ક ઇઝ વેરી ડિટેલ્ડ કે તમારે હલ્દી મહેંદીમાં કંઈ ડિફરન્ટ ટ્રાય કરવું છે દેન ધ યુઝ્યુઅલ વર્ક સો દે ગોટ ઓપ્શન્સ ઇન દેટ એઝ વેલ અપાર્ટ ફ્રોમ દેટ દે ગોટ ધીઝ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ જેકેટ્સ જે તમે કેરી ઓન કરી શકો કાર્નિવલ્સ ઉપર કે રીતે તમારે સારીઝમાં પટોલામાં કે એમનું જે યુએસપી છે આ રીતે એમ્બ્રોઇડરીમાં સો આ રીતે બધા જ ઓપ્શન્સ યુ કેન એક્સપ્લોર એટ કેસર હાઉસ.
Hi everyone, this is Nimasha from Ekati Ethnics. We have come up with the wedding collection as well as the casual collection. This is like a very tissue and Banarasi silk fabric or top bottom sets. We have colors in that, you can see. Then we have perfect dress for your mehndi functions. This is all hand embroidery with Zardoszi handwork with beautiful dupatta. We have yellow color for your haldi functions. We have some pretty blue colors, purple colors, top and bottom sets. We have very nice hot pink color in Kalidar dress. We have some peplum top with full flat palazzo sets. We have yellow color in that. Some heavy blouses also you can customize. Then we have top and bottom cord sets.
Hi, I'm Pooja from Travi Jewels. This is all lab-grown diamond jewellery. Everything is hallmarked, 14 and 18 karat gold. We have everything from casual wear, daily wear, routine wear to party wear items like these rings. We have special offers for Valentine's. There are discounts on making charges. These are routine studs. They are very affordable when compared to the mine diamonds. These are the tennis bracelets that you can stack with watches and your heavy bracelets. These are few casual necklaces, chains that are very affordable. The ranges start from anywhere around 15,000 and goes up to 2 lakhs.
Hello, I'm Mahima.
And I'm Vishwa.
Our brand name is Verve. We have got traditional pieces, semi-traditional pieces and casual pieces. So let's start with the traditional pieces. So these are the vintage sets. So like basically these are made from vintage fabric. Another vintage set. Then we have beautiful anarkalis. And we have some kaftan sets like which you can wear anywhere in the function or like in outing. These are very comfortable.
Also, we have some casual pieces like
shirts, mull shirts,
and some semi-traditional pieces like
some kurti sets. And
hi, so we are Thrombo showcasing last time in Ahmedabad. We have special offers on all the collection that is available up to 20% off except customization. So as we all know, so far we have menswear collection both in silk and cotton based products, and both can be done as shirts as well as kurtas. We have some all over embroidered products as well. It is in all cotton based. We have a lot of drapes, most of them being silk style and favorable for more Ahmedabad conditions, and mix of both unisex and festive. So coming down to a lot of casual wear collection, we have something like these, and a lot of summer top options like these, shirts, tunic styles, and some regular wear kurtas. And lastly, we have a lot of festive wear, starting something like these gowns, some party wear outfits, some festive kurtas, as well as some
So my brand name is Zen Sparrow. We have like this collection. Say this with pant. New collection in summer. Corsets. Shaded dress. Jacket and inner. And niche pant છે. This dress. Dress as well. We have blouses also. Wedding માં બી ચાલશે. એમાં બી આપણી પાસે કલર્સ છે. We have this. આપણે હેન્ડવર્ક વાળા બ્લાઉઝીસ બી છે આપણી પાસે.
The brand called Tisha linen tissue sarees, which is a perfectly good for your festive collection and all. You can see the nice embroidery with the tassels over here. The plain cords as well. Something in the linen shirts we have like this. Beautiful embroidered cords over here.
Hi everyone, so this is PB Jewels by Bansri Shah. So wedding season is going on. So these are our bridal jewelry, even for the siders as well. This is the Polki collection. And this is our Monzonite collection. આવી રીતે કંઈક સાઇડર્સ સાઇડ ફંક્શન્સમાં તમારે વેર કરવું હોય તો this jewelry specially for night functions. લોંગ વન્સમાં પણ આપણી જોડે પોલ્કીમાં છે, કુંદનમાં છે, પાછી કુંદનમાં છે. These are the slick chokers. Again this is પોલ્કી. અમદાવાદી પાછી કુંદનમાં તમને ડેલિકેટ સેટ્સ મળી જશે for the teenage girls as well. હેવીમાં પણ મળી જશે. This is the heritage collection. This is our special 24 karat gold plating gram collections.
Hi, I'm Arpita from Twinkle and Arpita. We have collection, the pink sets, odd one sets, and we also have some maxis over here. And we have some offers like cord set range from 2500 to 4000, which are some of these are all sale. We also have some collection like this. Do visit us.
Hi, we are from Brand Kosh. Over here we have a wide range of festive wears. First is this Chanderi mirror set, which is a Sharara set. Then over here we have this pant blouse, which is followed by a cape. Then we have multiple options for saris as well. Then a few ghagra and choli set, a few kurtas over here, and anarkali